Hi, my dear friends. If you are looking for a job opportunity, that too in a company like Sun.Pharma, so please watch this video. This is a walk-in interview from Sun.Pharma, my dear friends. So here you can see the department-wise vacancies. That coming to the production department, they are looking for the position officer or senior officer. You must have qualification either a B.Pharma or M.Pharma with at least 2 years of experience is required in the granulation, compression, coating or packing. And for production technician, ITI or Diploma, 3 to 5 years of experience. So coming to the details of the walk-in interview, the venue is Sun Plaza Hotel C/513 Depot. So Valaya Chokdi. So here you can see Ankleshwar, Gujarat. So you must have good communication and interpersonal skills and exposure of working in regulated plants with CGMP or GDP knowledge will be preferred. So those who are unable to attend the interview, so you can share your resume to the following mail ID. So these are the details regarding the walk-in interview from Sun Pharma. My dear friends, this is a US FDA approved MHRA and Visa TGA approved plan. So salary will be good. So please try to utilize the opportunity, my dear friends. If you have the required experience, there is nothing to say more about Sun Pharma. It's a brand. So please utilize the opportunity. Those who are near to Dadra. Thank you.